Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes without vanilla essence. Start by replacing vanilla with cinnamon or a splash of maple syrup and mix gently. Use almond extract sparingly if you prefer a nutty aroma. Measure ingredients precisely and avoid overmixing to keep pancakes fluffy. Cook on medium heat until bubbles form and edges set, then flip once and finish until golden and cooked through. In this video, I will show how to make pancakes without vanilla essence. For a direct swap, use 1 teaspoon cinnamon or 1 teaspoon maple syrup per teaspoon vanilla called for. Almond extract is stronger, so use less and adjust to taste. Citrus zest pairs well with sugar to brighten flavor. These swaps keep the batter balanced and let the pancake taste shine through without losing texture or warmth. In this video, I will show how to make pancakes without vanilla essence. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated while cooking. It fits cup holders and keeps your drink cold. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful tips. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make pancakes without vanilla essence. Combine dry ingredients, then whisk egg, milk, and melted butter until smooth. Fold the wet mix into the dry, just until combined to avoid overworking the batter. Let the batter rest for about 5 minutes to hydrate the flour and create air pockets. Cook on a warm griddle until bubbles appear, flip, and cook until golden for tender pancakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.